this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2013 Mazda 6, stock number 6768. This ran from 11th 2012 to the 5th 2019. It has an SH 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a SH 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front 17-inch factory alloy mag tyre, left front door mirror, left front door a few wobbles, left rear door a few wobbles, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag tyre, rear tailgate paint fade along the edge, right hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag tyre, right rear door no dents, right hand door mirror, right front guard, right front headlight needs polish, right front 17-inch factory alloy mag tyre, right front door guard, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,